Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm RunFit Mama from runfitmama.net and I'm here today to take you on a Trader Joe's run. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go with my friend slash client slash boot camper, Allison. I've actually known her and known of her since like the 6th grade. She was really good friends with my friend Julie, and her kindness and sweetness and hilarious personality has somehow filtered her way in through our friend group. So even before she came to my boot camp, I already knew how funny and sweet and kind she was. So I'm so excited to do this with her. She and I always text about little Trader Joe's finds here and there, and actually any real good macro finds we kind of send to each other on Instagram. So she's always thinking of great new things as well. So I thought, why not? I'll bring her along too, because she's so, again, so sweet and funny and fun to be around. So I love Trader Joe's because they always have pre-chopped veggies, they have salad mixes, they have a lot of protein that's already marinated, and a lot of their freezer section stuff is actually great for meal prep. So we're gonna wander along, hopefully have a few laughs, and maybe try a few of the coffee samples, and we'll let you know what we find.
And okay, we'll just, okay. And oh, I noticed you have to look at the dot.
Oh, and I'm looking at myself.
Yes, I know, because I shot some video and I'm like, and then I realized I'm not even looking at the person.
Oh
so,
my gosh.
Okay, so I'm just gonna start like an awkward, weird person.
Cool. We can always take it again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm here with Allison.
Hey.
And we're gonna go into Trader Joe's. We're gonna find some stuff that I like to meal prep, that she likes to meal prep, and also some really fun treats. Do you want to say anything else?
I don't know, but emphasis on the treats.
Emphasis on the treats for sure. All right, bye.
Bye.
So first we're gonna start off with some rosé. Just kidding, just kidding. All the flowery stuff. Love it. All right, avocados are for sure.
Yeah. But only if they're right. That's a bad one.
If you find any that have a bite out of them, there's probably from Max.
This one's
So what are you doing, Allison?
I'm looking at apples, but I prefer Fuji, so put those galas right back where they
hardcore.
belong.
Yeah, we don't get the gala.
You say gala or
Or
gala?
whatever, I don't know.
I don't know either.
Definitely not over here either. Oh, Honeycrisp though, that's the jam. They're expensive.
Do you have jazz apples?
No, are they good?
They're good.
Yeah.
No, I
Do
just
they
licked
make
my
you feel?
finger.
They make you feel jazzy?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just cut this out, right?
For sure.
Game animation, but it's like
This looks really good.
action.
Tart chia. That looks pretty good. I might have to try that.
Macros on that.
Lots of carbs, but that's okay. So this is a really good spot if you need to get flaxseed, chia seeds. It's actually a lot cheaper than going to Whole Foods. Oatmeal. Ooh, I like these too, these organic oats.
I don't have a ton of favorite salads because I've gotten burnt out on them. I like to make my own.
Yeah.
One thing I do like from here are the egg whites with chives.
That is really good.
I'll just put them on like an open face sandwich or toast.
Yeah,
And that's pretty much lunch for me.
that's
Or you
perfect.
could put it in a salad.
Oh yeah, that would be good too. And I know you can't, but I love these. Oh my god, especially this one over there. See how there's like not a full box in the front? That's because I came yesterday, and that's probably why they're all gone. Oh, was that the one you tried?
Yeah.
The shrimp bowl?
Yeah.
Ooh, I want to try that one. Let me see. what
With the macros.
That looks really good. Wait, how many servings? One? Oh, it's only one
It's
serving?
riced cauliflower.
Oh, hell yeah.
So it's, yeah.
I'll try that. This one's definitely a favorite. I like to saute that in my eggs. And then what else? Kale, arugula. Get it all. Get it all, guys. All of it. And then this is my favorite salad dressing. It's awesome. It's only 20 calories. That's really good. I haven't tried this one yet. This is supposed to be really good too. Really good. This one is super low in calories, 50 calories for 2 tablespoons. The cilantro one is really good too. This one is, in fact, I might buy this. So another favorite, some zucchini spirals. Again, this is a really, really good low carb choice if you want a good high volume meal. Look at this. So I really like this Asian stir fry. This is again a good high volume food, super easy in a stir fry, in eggs, very good. What else? Oh yeah. People think I'm really good.
Let me know if I'm anywhere.
No, you're good.
This one's really good for like a Super Bowl party because it has pretty good macros, but it looks naughty. But you could put carrots in it or pita or
Do you like
whatever you're
things that
going
look naughty?
for. Yeah.
Wait, what's the? Let me see the label.
Oh,
The
yeah.
other one. Ooh, that's pretty good. Would you put it on just veggies
Yeah.
or some chips?
Or just
You could
like,
be honest. Perfect.
The spoon doesn't have any carbs.
Yeah, that's true. What are you getting?
So just everything that you told me to get.
Oh, perfect. It's really good. And then all the veggies, but obviously I don't need to show that. That's super obvious. All the veggies. For my fave. These RX bars. These are super good. I like
Which
those
is
a
your
lot.
favorite?
I like the sea salt one for sure. Oh, you know what? Yeah,
No.
I do not like that peanut butter one.
This one?
That tastes like dirt. I don't
Yeah.
like it. But I like this one's really good, chocolate sea salt, and so is maple sea salt. Also, guys, okay, these, you think that they're low everything, but beware, it says 2 servings, so it's a 400 calorie cookie. I'd rather just have a regular cookie. It's annoying.
I'll get it.
I love these in my eggs. I see these all the time on Instagram. Really good macros. Only 14 carbs, guys. Potatoes aren't bad. Potatoes are your friend. I promise.
Get that.
Get it? I'm not a huge beet eater, but I do like this one. Not that fat is bad, but it's lower in fat and it's super high in protein. And it's grass fed, which is nice. And it's a good way to get some iron in.
This turkey is a mainstay in my house. I'll put it with
Yes.
marinara sauce to put it over the spiralized zucchini.
Yes.
We'll make tacos. I'll put it in chili. We'll make
Perfect.
burgers.
Yeah.
My boyfriend likes it.
Yeah, nice. And you know what I like about Trader Joe's? They have good meat and it's never like crazy expensive. And I really like over here the turkey bacon is really good. You're fine.
Okay, thank you. Get it your way.
No, you're actually, it's right here. You're good. So I like this one a lot. I will chop this up with some sauteed onions and cabbage. It's actually really good. Salmon's really good. But you're good. You gotta try the cookie, right? This is very, very macro friendly, guys.
We're at bro.
You ever tried this steel cut oatmeal, the frozen one?
No, I haven't.
It's really, really good. I love a good oatmeal. I gotta tell you. I think I say that daily, but this
You're
looks
so exciting.
I am. I'm really excited about oatmeal. It's a rice cauliflower. The only thing I don't like is the tofu.
Oh, I actually don't mind it. But
Well, don't they
probably
say
don't like
it's
the
like
soy.
estrogen
Yeah,
and all
yeah.
that?
It's not good for you.
Ooh, this one's really good. So I had this with some chicken the other day. It's really good. It's the organic green vegetable foursome. I don't know if you're into foursomes.
Never had that.
We don't know how Valentine's Day will go, but it's really good. Someone told me a really good tip.
Actually, my friend Sarah told me this.
Oh,
You can just roast these from frozen. You
Yeah.
just put a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper and put it in the oven, probably at like 450. I don't know. Look on Google. I'm really bad at writing down things I do. But yeah, you can roast them from frozen. They'll get all crispy like you like them.
ooh, I like that.
Yeah.
You could throw that in. I'll take that.
Okay.
You sold me. Well, what about over here? What about all these little treats?
Oh boy. Well, I
That
can
lady.
show you treats.
Let's see what else. Oh, the rice cauliflower for sure. So I also didn't realize Trader Joe's not really a thing in other places. Did you know that?
I don't think they're not being Trader Joe's anymore.
This is really good. I always add extra little
Yes.
snow peas or whatever they're called. Super good.
They used to
This-
have one like that with shrimp in it.
Ooh, that does sound good. So this is a great option. I put this in tomato soup for the kids, and it's not bad, and it tastes really good. It's a lot of carbs, but you just plan ahead. We all could use a carb sometimes. We're just gonna get all the veggies. So this looks really good. Colorful carrot coins. I always love their names. They try to like market a carrot. Really exciting. Organic rainbow cauliflower, grilled cauliflower, sweet potato fries. Ooh, this is so good. Rice cauliflower stuffing.
Oh,
It has little cranberries in it.
I wonder if it has nuts in it. If it doesn't,
I don't think so. I hope not. So you could try it. This is actually really good too. This again with a soup. Super good. Or some turkey. tasting frozen rice I've had. It's super good. It's so easy to meal prep. Just microwave that and throw it in with some chicken and green beans. It's really good. These are the meatballs I always talk about on Instagram. I have it with the cauliflower gnocchi, which I'll show you in a minute. They're really good macros. In fact, I need some, so I'm gonna take them. So if you want a really good treat, these are only 40 calories. They're so good. I don't know how much caffeine they'd have in them, so maybe not before bed, but they're really, really good. Have you ever had those?
Yeah.
They're really
So
good.
they kind of have somewhat high macros, but it's for 3 of them. So
Yes.
if you want just like a little bit of ice cream,
Yeah.
you could have 1. And the serving size is for 3.
And they don't have all the added crap that like Drumstick puts in theirs.
Yeah.
Can I see
And they're
this?
so cute.
They are really cute. Do you feel like a giant, like Joey on Friends? Perfect.
Mushroom.
Yeah, everyone on Instagram keeps talking about it. That's supposed to be really
It's
good.
supposed to just taste savory.
Ooh, I like that. Some chicken wonton soup. I heard that's really good.
This is the one.
Which one?
Super, super low carb, but vegetables. You could add rice if you
Ooh.
want to, but it's super easy. It's just frozen. You can saute it for a couple minutes.
So is this shrimp already cooked?
Yeah.
Right?
I don't think so.
Oh.
But it's super fast.
Yeah. All right, I'll take one. You sold me. If you are into veggie burgers, these are all actually really good options. There's a high protein veggie burger back there. There is one that's black beans and roasted corn. Some, Thai sweet chili. That sounds really yummy. Have you tried that one? Here's the love of my life. I take one bag and make 3 different meals out of it because if you break it up into 3 servings, it's only about 17 carbs. And I literally put this with everything. It's so filling. It has a lot of volume, which is good too. So this looks like a really good splurge. I might get this just for fun.
Yourself.
Yep. Just gotta plan ahead, guys. You can have anything you want. You just have to make it work. And I have this currently in my freezer. I haven't tried it yet though. If any of you know Lily loves macros, but she does this thing where you take coleslaw and a waffle and you put a piece of chicken on it. And the macros are really good on this too. Only 11 carbs. For breaded chicken, that's pretty good. All the shrimps. Okay, so I love these mahi burgers. Only 5 fat, 15 protein, and then also the salmon burgers are really good too. And again, they're not super expensive, so if you need a budget-friendly option for salmon, that's a good idea. And then, oh my god, I love these. These are a perfect little snack. And they don't have nitrates or anything. They're really good. So I love these. These are the chicken cilantro wontons. You'll see these in my meal prep video. But you can do 4 pieces for 9 carbs and 3 grams of protein. They're so good and they're actually a really decent size. I really like this marinara because it only has 3 grams of sugar and you only really need 1 serving for that gnocchi I was talking about. It's really good. But I'm gonna try this with chicken in a crock pot. Or maybe I'll just, I don't know, roast it? Can you roast chicken with a marinade on it?
Yeah. Yeah. You could bake it.
Every day I'm, oh yeah, baking, I guess. Baking would be the word. Every day I'm learning, guys. Every day. This is what I like. Which it also just has the same macros as, well, even less fat than almond butter. So what the hell? This is my favorite almond butter. Favorite. It's so good. Make sure you do not get the unsalted. It's not very good. But just normal macros for almond butter. And look at the ingredients, just 2 things. Super good. Is everything. So good. You put it on eggs, oh, you could put it on like a Laughing Cow cheese,
I like
on
that.
like a good like piece of bread or something.
I don't know. These are okay. Like
Okay.
they taste good, but they can be higher in
Or
carbs.
their ranch.
Yeah.
So I roast my garbanzo beans with the ranch
Do your
seasoning.
own?
No, yeah, so you just roast them with like olive oil, salt and pepper, or coconut oil. They taste like French fries. Yeah, they're really good. But my mom does it with like a curry powder or the ranch seasoning. It's good too. I realize I keep saying it's really good.
It's really good.
It's really good, guys.
Oh, I also
If you're a Chipotle fan, this is a really good, it's a little sweeter, but it's a good knockoff of that corn salsa they have there. I love this in my burrito bowls. The cowboy caviar is really good, and so is, they have a tomato-less salsa, which is good for me because I hate tomatoes. This is really good in a crock pot with like 4 chicken breasts on low for 4 hours. Then just shred it.
So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, do all the fun stuff. And thank you to Allison for coming to hang out. We got all this food. Also wishing Navat.
yeah.
Thank you again. We'll see you later. Bye.